Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome, and this is Gabriel, my sous chef for the day. Today we are going to be making some cotton candy ice cream. The weather is getting nicer. Everyone's going to be outside. It's going to be warm, so the perfect snack for you is some homemade cotton candy ice cream. There's no ice cream machine necessary, so this is the perfect recipe. So for this, you're gonna need literally 3 things. You're gonna need some heavy whipping cream that you want very cold right out of the fridge. Some cotton candy. I'm using pink and blue, so I just separated them. But honestly, you can use whatever colors you want. You wanna help mama? Yeah? And then you're gonna need some Pop Rocks, which I have in the freezer because you want those to be cold up until the last minute. You wanna help mommy? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our heavy cream into our bowl. Now bear with me because sous chef needs to be involved. So it's gonna take a minute. Okay, you ready? You wanna help mommy? And you're gonna whip this until you get soft peaks, so you don't want it to be super stiff. I'm gonna show you what you're looking for when it's there. Oh, such a soft. All right, so my cream, as you can see, is not stiff, but it's just a little bit thicker. So this is what you're looking for. This is what's gonna give you that silky, smooth consistency, and it's not gonna be really hard and difficult to scoop. We're gonna pour half of the mixture into a little bowl because we're gonna separate it into pink and blue. Oops. Can I put you down for a second? Okay. Zara's too, isn't it? I have to put him down. I can't work with one hand on this one. So you're just gonna do half, about half, doesn't really matter. Okay, and we don't add any sugar or condensed milk to this because the cotton candy is quite sweet anyway. So if you were to add sugar or condensed milk or any sort of sweetener, you'd be carrying your teeth in your back pocket. So we're gonna stay away from that. You're gonna add in your cotton candy and you're just gonna mix it now. Come here, come see mom. You're just gonna mix it until it's pretty much dissolved. And this is gonna give you that blue that you're looking for, so you don't have to use food coloring either. Okay, so the blue is good. We're gonna set that aside. Into this bowl, we're gonna add our pink cotton candy. This one's gonna be more vibrant because there's always less pink for me than there is blue. I don't know why. Okay, so I took my Pop Rocks out of the freezer. I mixed everything together, and if I'm gonna be honest, I did add just a drop of blue food coloring to make it a little bit brighter, just for aesthetic purposes, but you really don't need to. So I'm gonna do strawberry for the pink and tropical punch for the blue. I have some green apple I might sprinkle in there, but we'll see. So you wanna do this right before you're gonna put it into your container. You want something that's closed, that there's no air getting in, just because otherwise you're gonna get that frost on the top and you don't want that. So you're just gonna put this in, and you want this to be frozen because then it's gonna take longer to dissolve and you're gonna get that crunch. So you're gonna pour this in to your bowl. So our first layer is done. And I try to move as quickly as possible because the longer the Pop Rocks are out, the more they dissolve. So then we're gonna do our pink. We're gonna do our pink. And I'm just gonna pour that right on top of the blue. Just like so. I don't know if you can hear, but they're already popping, so. And then I just kind of zhuzh it around to mix it up. You're gonna close it and you're gonna put it in the freezer for at least 8 hours. I like to do it overnight, but for at least 8 hours, and then it's gonna get nice and soft. So as always, you can find the full written recipe on my website, www.thelazygirlskitchen.com. So make sure that you give us a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye. You want to say bye? Come say bye.
Crash it.
That's all it was. Okay, say bye. Say bye-bye. Subscribe. Give us some love. Mwah. Good job. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.